we're going to learn how to do a twisted picot. Now what a twisted picot is exactly what the name implies. It's a twisted picot. Sometimes you want them, sometimes you don't. This time we want them. This is a decorative element, so you don't have just a loop of thread laying there. You see how that looks? Gives it a little more frill to it. Okay, so let's get on with it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this twisted picot. First thing you want to do is tat up your pattern. Alright, so let's go. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 double stitches. Now this one's going to be a little smaller than the other one. Now, here's where it gets funky. Alright, we've got our 6 double stitches. Now we want to put in an extra long picot. Now this is where your picot gauges will come into play. You put your picot in, gauge it, and then put your double stitch in. But for this lesson, I'm just going to gauge it eyeball. You want a pretty decent sized picot. Alright, and then put in the other 6 double stitches. Okay, now we've got that in. Now the next thing we want to do is put in a chain. So let's do that. We're going to use the purple thread for our chain, and we're going to join this chain to that picot and twist the picot. Alright, so let's do that. Tighten it up. Okay, and here we go. Put in however many you need. For this one we're going to put in 10. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we should be able to meet up. Let's put in a few more. We want a little bit of a gap so you can see how that twist plays. So let's just keep going until we get a pretty good sized loop here. Alright, because I want you to see how the twist effect really looks when you're joining to it. And it doesn't matter the join you use. Okay, you can use a lock join, whatever. It doesn't matter. Now let's see. Yeah, that looks good. For this one we're going to do a lock join, since that's the thread that's coming closest to that picot. Now to get the twist in, what you're going to do is take your hook, put it in the picot, and twist it a couple of times. Then grab your thread, pull it through, and then if you're using a crochet hook, loop it on your finger. That keeps the loop available, because once you let this go you lose the twist in the picot. Then you run your shuttle through it, pull it down till it's tight. Okay, and there you have it, your twisted picot. And see how it changes that bare thread to something decorative? And that's all this is. It's a decorative element to add to your tatting. So I hope you've learned something today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, thank you so much for watching, and happy tatting.